Hi everyone, my name is Jason from Night Owls Media and I'm a wedding cinematographer. Over the past 12 years of filming weddings, I found that the one thing that is constant over every wedding and meeting with every couple that I have met with is that everyone kind of starts off their wedding planning not really knowing what to do. And that's okay. It's a whole new thing. Until you're actually in it, you're not going to understand how stressful it can be. So that's part of my job that I want to help take that stress away. Now, a couple years ago, I spent an entire year interviewing wedding industry professionals and editing together an educational series that we have online. The link is below in the description, called Vendors. And it goes over a plethora of amazing topics that you need to know going into your wedding day. Whether it be something that you've been pondering for a while or something that's going to sideswipe you about something the day before your wedding that you had no idea that was going to come up, it will come up. It's an amazing series. It's absolutely free and it's designed to help you take away that stress for your wedding planning. Now, moving into 2021, I believe that content is king, and I believe that education is a very real thing that we should be doing all the time. So every week, I'm going to be going live on Wednesdays. I haven't decided on a time yet, so look forward to that. But I'm going to be going live on our YouTube channel to give you a breakdown of any questions that you might have or topics that I feel really need to be brought up. Now, I'm a part of a lot of different wedding forums on YouTube, and I see the same questions being asked over and over. So I'm really wanting to give back and help, especially about videography. I mean, videography is definitely going to be the key element of this series. But if you have any other questions, not only can I probably answer them, if I can't, I know everyone else in the industry who can. So I will get you those answers. So look forward to 2021 as we jump into Wedding Wednesdays, and it's going to be a heck of a lot of fun. We have a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline for 2021. It is going to be a rip-roaring, amazing year. So look forward to it, and I cannot wait to be a part of your story.